how to make only your friends can see the things you follow on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only your friends can see the things you follow on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner, settings, followers and public content, and just click this one and click friends, and now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.